Right? We're going to Boston. Woo!
Target.
Also, how do you wear that? Okay, my question is always been
How do you wear those? It's my Pinterest. It's my Pinterest.
Yeah, how do you wear those?
I think tonight they're doing like a night market.
Oh, really?
Oh!
Yo, that'd be so cool.
We can peep it.
Yeah, we should peep. Maybe.
Conflict.
I know. I was like,
This might be something else. It used to be like a parking area, right? That's cute. That's so pretty. Yeah.
Certain ways
Yeah.
to be able to afford to live alone.
okay.
And then we'll go to
Okay.
Oh, she said.
Yeah, it's definitely a nice view.
Cute. Being a Boston tourist, ഞങ്ങൾ ഇന്ന് രാവിലെ നടന്നൊക്കെ കണ്ട് ഞങ്ങളൊരു ലോബ്സ്റ്റർ റോൾ കഴിച്ച്
My cars are like
Black Friday, you see a good sale.
yeah, might as well.
We are going to take the ferry to Tallship across the water, so see you there.
Did I tell you how like black my turn? Oh, that's cute. I love that.
We're going to Tallship over there. Wow.
They have like little, it's like food trucks kind of. Oh.
Of a Boston girly.
But we really don't walk there. We walk around. I think I would have done that over 2 separate weekends.
You should.
Mine are only girls' names. Yeah, so if I have a boy, it's gonna be like
No. Day 2 in Boston. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഒരു duck tourന് പോവാണ്. It's called duck tour because ducks can swim and go on land. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇത് ഒരു ബോട്ടാണ്, പക്ഷെ അത് ഡ്രൈവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നതാണ്. കാറ് ഈ റോഡിൽ കൂടെ ഡ്രൈവ് ചെയ്ത് പോകും, പിന്നെ അത് നേരെ വെള്ളത്തിലോട്ടും പോകും. അപ്പോൾ ബോട്ടായിട്ട് മാറും. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ ഡക്ക് ടൂർ എന്ന് പറയണത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ബോസ്റ്റൺ മൊത്തം ഞങ്ങൾ കാണിച്ചു തരും. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് സീ വാട്ട് ബോസ്റ്റൺസ് ഓൾ അബൌട്ട്. Nice.
Dorchester Dottie. Side seats, right?
No, I think they just took the ticket, but
That's cute. Yeah, she's a little
Influencer in the making.
I am one, hopefully.
That beautiful, you'll see it in a minute when we turn. That beautiful squish, squash, squish, squash. In the summertime, that place is jam-packed with the kids. I'm surprised. Now that small area actually only consisted of 1.5 miles. That's what Boston was. And it was basically surrounded by water. Everything on the map that you see is light green. Is flat land, landfill. We're in the neighborhood called the Back Bay. All man-made land, all landfill.
Wow.
We're coming up a little hill right now, but this is a man-made hill. On the peninsula, can anybody tell me what they named my city? Boston. It's looking easy. 5. Get ready to put your hands up in victory. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Goosebumps. Goosebumps all around us. The Trinity Church is the crown jewel of the Back Bay landfill project. When these folks are making all this money, more people are coming in. And from the 1600s on, Boston was Wall Street. From here, all the way out out to Fenway Park, all flat land, all man-made land. You're taking a look right now for the very first time at the Boston Common. This is the Shawmut Peninsula. You see that the cornerstone was laid in 1795 by none other than Sam Adams and Paul Revere. Did you fight in the Civil War? Now the monument, Freedom Trail, the statue, Freedom Trail, the State House. Now we have another monument coming up right over here beside us about her religion back in the 1600s. Kind of restaurant, the Filibuster Restaurant, great little restaurant, but they're always fighting about something in there. It takes forever to get the meals. And then coming up beside us, number 122 Bowdoin Street. It is a green door with a wreath on it. This was John F. Kennedy's legal address from 1946. This one right here. 1946, this apartment right here. Woo-hoo-hoo! Feel the breeze! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Thanks, buddy. Now, I'm going to talk roller coasters out on the water. We're good. Right here beside us on the left-hand side. How are you doing? You guys all with me? Yeah. Excellent. Excellent. The building is a form of architecture that the architects refer to as brutalism. Brutalism was a form of architecture that was popular for 5 minutes in the 1960s. You can see why. To me, it looks like a cat scratching post. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Now, when we get to the bottom of the hill, we're going to look for a giant frog. You got to use your imagination. It is made of cement. It is bulging out of the building. A giant frog that has two big eyes and an overbite. Get ready. Hopefully the bus won't mess us up. Let the bus go. Make it a good one. I want a good story. This Massachusetts, which is going to start being really popular in the next 6 weeks, you can take the train from North State through the lock and dam system in the same vehicle. That's one of our duck stop locations. Are our partners. If you would like to go into either the New England Aquarium building right here that has a huge crack in the middle of it, it's supposed to be a waterfall. One with skateboards attached to their legs. Look at this. The skateboard park was actually designed by Tony Hawk, financed by the Vance Sneaker Corporation, and for that. We're getting ready to go in the water. My man Hayden is going to pull in, and here we go. Roller coaster time. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Just like that. Just like that. The truck becomes a duck.
So cool. അടിപൊളി.
How are your tabs, my friend? Okay. So I have to make a phone call. You guys take some pictures and I'll be right with you. Did you guys see all the Royal Canadian Air Force right here? Canada geese. Those that didn't understand the joke. Is Hayden? Now look at me. Look at me. Can you go like this? This is a advertising New York City.
Yeah,
Look at the hat. All right, excellent. Now, when I was talking a little while ago about the Shawmut Peninsula, the Shawmut Peninsula is right there. It's the Leonard P. Zanger Bunker Hill Memorial Bridge. It's called the Cable Stay Bridge. It is a product of the Big Dig, a highway project that happened way back in the 1980s. Followed by the rear tires touching the ramp right now. Turn off the propeller at the top of the hill. Take us on a 6-wheel drive. Put us back in regular drive. My man, Hayden! 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 Awesome. Good job, buddy. He's smiling. He didn't realize that I do that. I'm the coolest conductor there is. I'm telling you. Not just the street. He was the one. Sam Adams was the one. Poking the bear. About 200 people came up the street. They were armed with Chester. That's where she got her name. Every duck in the fleet has a name and an identity, something to do with the.
Oh yeah, just.
there's always a long line.
Damn.
She's got index cards.
I know.
I might get that one. Yeah. Which one did you get, Shay?
I got some truffle.
Yeah, try it.
Very good. What is this on top?
Breadcrumbs. Oh, it's spicy. It's good.
You want to try some, Chef?
Thank you, though.
I've been making in the winters. Last winter, I made a lot. The people in the year above you, or the resident class year above you, is it like kind of a similar vibe to your class?
No, really different.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like they're a lot.
Comment where we're from. Me and my guys, we promote rural hip hop. Healthy, independent people helping other people.
Demi Lovato will be in it with the Jonas Brothers though. Like kind of listen and see their bodies. Oh, this would be so nice. Just get a blanket and sit.
Mhm.
Exactly. You could introduce like a lizard because lizards eat bugs. Naturally.
There's so many lizards.
It's on the left side. Sleeve. AM. 4:40. 4:30. A 6 a.m. flight, so
Yeah.
that's 33 divided by 2, which is 17.
Yeah,
Guys
it's
above
fine.
it.